Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, I look extra glowy today. I'm gonna go for like a purple look, but I mean, of course, you've seen it in the titles. My face looks extra glowy today. I think it's because I used an extra product today in my skincare. But anywho, so we're gonna get right into the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Like this video, share it so that I can know what y'all like to see. Comment below in the description box. So yeah, let's just stop rambling and get right into the video because it's gonna be long enough. So let's just get right into it. All right, so first off, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion and apply this to my eyelids and then blend it out and let it dry. Now this is an eyeshadow primer, and it's basically meant to make your eyeshadow like more bright, more vivid, and make your eyeshadow appear to be more pigmented. So it's actually just to make your eyeshadow bright or to make it look bold. And I use this when I'm going to do an eyeshadow look or when I want my eyeshadow look to be extra bright. So I'm going for a purple look today, so that's the reason why I'm going to use it. Alright, so I'm going to be using multiple eyeshadow palettes today. Sorry this white thing is here. That's my mirror. I have to have it because I can't see. So I'm going to be using like multiple eyeshadow palettes today simply because I have like 2 purple shades in each palette. So as you can see, this is the Amrezy X Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and as you can see, we have like this shade here and that shade there, and then this is the Anastasia and Jackie Aina palette, and then as you can see, we have like that shade there and then that shade there. So it's like each one of my palettes only have like a certain amount of purple shades, so I'm just going to use all of them together. But if you don't have access to these expensive palettes like Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, you can easily go to Ulta, get the Makeup Revolution palette, and it has a lot of purple tones in it, and you can just use this. It has like this shade, this shade, this shade, and then you can even use that pink as an accent color. So that's just an alternative because I know that y'all don't have, I know that some of y'all may not want to get like both of these palettes or all these palettes, so that's just an alternative. But I'm going to be using 3 palettes today. I'm going to be using these 2 from Anastasia and then this one from Makeup Revolution, and I might dab into this Urban Decay Burn to Run this Urban Decay Born to Run palette just in case. I might, but we're just going to see how this eye look goes. Okay, so I'm going to start out first with this shade from the Anastasia X Amrezy palette, and this is the color Simsa. And I'm going to start out with OG, and I'm going to blend that in my lid as a transitional shade. So you want to first start out with something that's like your skin tone color, just to like set the base for your eyeshadow. So that's what I'm doing now. And then I'm just going to blend this out on both eyes. And I'm not going to show the entire time me blending out because it's just going to take way too much time. So I'm just going to show you what color I'm going to use, where I'm going to blend it out at, and then I'm going to cut the clip because I don't want this video to be like 45 minutes long. So as you can see, I'm just blending it out. And it's kind of red. I'm just not noticing it's kind of red, but it'll be fine. Now we're going to go into Simsa, which is this shade here. And I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to blend that out right under the OG shade. And you want to take like a fluffy brush so that you can make sure that you're blending it out. And then just build it up. Not too much, just enough to where it shows up. And then you're just going to blend it out in your crease. And you're going to do that on the... Okay, so now I have Simsa blended out on my eyes. I'm going to go into Big Wig, which is this purple shade here. And then I'm going to blend that out on the outer crease area. And then I'm going to build that up right here in the corner. I'm going to build Big Wig up. And then I'm just going to leave it sitting right there. I'm just going to build it up, and then I'm going to go go back into the Amrezy palette, and I'm gonna use, actually, yeah, I'm gonna go back into the Amrezy palette and use Yugo, which is this really, really dark purple shade. And then I'm gonna take like a small like brush, like a pencil brush kinda, and then I'm gonna go into Yugo a little bit, and then I'm gonna apply it behind that shade. So I'm gonna deepen up the crease. All right, so this look is coming along nicely, guys. Next I'm gonna take, if I can get my words out, next I'm gonna take the Jackie Aina X Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm gonna go in with Shookington, which is this purple, oh, I just dug my finger. Oh, no, I didn't. It's this purple shimmer shade here, brush. I'm gonna use this flat brush, and then I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna spray it with some NYX primer spray. And then we're gonna apply it to the middle of our lid. So I'm gonna apply it right here. Only. And then I'm gonna flip the brush over on the other side, and I'm gonna go into the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm gonna apply this shade right here. This is the number 14, and then let's see what she's looking like. I'm gonna apply her in the inner portion, and then I'm gonna blend the two. I'm gonna take another flat brush, and then I'm gonna go over with the number 9, which is this pink shade here, and then I'm gonna place that on top. Oh god, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. So then I'm just gonna blend that on top, and then I'm gonna blend that into Shookington. And then I'm gonna go in and blend out Simsa. This is Simsa over the top. I'm gonna blend Simsa into all the purple shades. I'm actually gonna go off camera. All right, so here's the finished eye look. I'm gonna go off camera, and I'm gonna apply some lashes, and then I'll be back. All right, guys, so here is the finished look. I love my eyeshadow look today. I just did my hair. This is my favorite hairstyle, by the way. I'm pretty sure you can tell because this is always the style I do. But my makeup is finished. Here are the eyes. I'm wearing the lashes in the style Bali from my lash collection. And yeah, so this top is from this top is from Zaful. Some Zaful. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me today. Coming on here, doing eyeshadow, doing makeup. Hope you guys enjoyed. So make sure you follow my social media accounts. Make sure you order some lashes from me, okay? And yeah, follow my social media accounts and subscribe, like this video, share this video. And so yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.